Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Jeep Grand Cherokee can take it to some really cool places, whether it be bike riding or even towing a U-Haul trailer. So let's go ahead and break down that install for you. Alright guys, this is a really simple install. To get started, our first step would be to remove the spare tire. Now our Grand Cherokee model does not have the spare tire underneath the vehicle, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. So on both sides of the frame rail, there are 2 bolts on the side. We're going to go ahead and remove that on the driver's side and on the passenger side, and this is where our hitch will line up. Alright, to take out those 4 bolts, we're going to go ahead and use our impact drill and a 21mm swivel socket. When you bring it into place, you can see that the trunk is a little slanted, so using the swivel socket will give us a little bit of room to take that out. Alright, our next step is to raise our hitch into position. We're going to go ahead and line up the 2 holes on the side of the hitch with the 2 holes that we exposed by removing the bolts in the frame. And we're going to use our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack to raise that up. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands so you don't cause any damage to yourself or the vehicle or even to the hitch if you accidentally drop it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now that we have our holes lined up, we're going to go ahead and use our existing hardware, and starting on the driver's side, we'll secure our hitch to the frame. And we'll go ahead and repeat the same process on the passenger side. With our bolts loosely into place, we went ahead and removed our hitch jack. And now using our 21mm swivel socket, we're going to go ahead and tighten it up and then torque it according to the manufacturer's specification. And then we'll go ahead and use our torque wrench and 21mm socket to torque it down. Alright guys, with our hitch into place, we went ahead and pulled it down on level ground to show you a couple of measurements for your hitch accessories. This hitch is a 2-inch receiver, and from the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 3 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 14 3/4 inches. That way you know what height ball mount you'll need or what type of vertical post will work best for a bike rack. Alright guys, so that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. For more information on this product, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.